Okay, how's it going, everybody? I'm out at the hangar, and I'm sorry that it's been so darn long that I've done any videos, but I got some stuff going on that I can't do anything with my ultralight right now because I got to get my Grumman up and out of the road. So that's what I'm doing now. Is I got my friend Ron, his cousin Ed, is doing all the fabrication work. Sorry about the airplane noise in the background, but we are at an airport. Ha ha ha. Oh, that's that beautiful Stinson. Oh, she's a beauty, man. She's a beauty. She is shiny. Anyway, back to the straight story. Yeah, so what we're doing is trying to get my Grumman out of the way. And Ed made a weight for the front of the plane. And right there is about 150, 160 pounds of concrete in a bag in a milk carton. And it's keeping the front of the plane down so I can pull it, yank it, do whatever I want with it. So I can get this thing moved whenever I need to without anybody's help. So that's going to help immensely. And what Ed's doing right now is he's doing some finish up on the apparatus for the winch to lift this sucker up, and pretty soon she'll be done, and then you'll see it up in the sky. And I can't wait, because once I get it up out of the road, then I can do whatever I got to do. I'm also going to do some revamping or redesigning of my solar system. So that solar panel right there is a portable, but I got 4 100 amp solar panels that I'm going to put up on the roof, and there's going to be 400 watts as opposed to 45. Right now it's presently 45 watts, but I'm going to add 400, so I should have enough power and battery storage, amp hour storage, to do whatever I got to do. So I'm going to let you go for now on account I don't want to get no copyright strikes because of the background music, and I know it's about 30 seconds, and then anything over 30 seconds they get you. So I'll talk to you soon. Come back when I got something else to report. That's the Stinson. And man, she is beautiful. Talk about a beautiful classic aircraft. Someday I'm going to learn how to do it. Well, once I learn how to fly, I'm going to learn how to do tail dragger too. They say it makes you a better pilot, so yeah, buddy, that's a beauty right there. Let me try to zoom in a little more. And Mark will probably try spinning it. Maybe not. Sorry about that. I'm watching the plane over the camera. Okay, he's gonna cut it right there, so I'll let you go for now. Okay, man, she's up out of the road. She is up out of the road. Now I'll show you what I can do. I gotta put this here and get the Aerolite underneath it. She's there. All right. And that's what I wanted, to be able to get the Aerolite in. So when the wings are on it, the wings will be right here and go out. I'll move the drill, obviously, and it'll go right over to the table. So that's what we want. We're in, and I am happy.